the second part on how to jailbreak the iPod Touch 2G 3.1 firmware. So in my last video I showed you how to downgrade to 3.0 firmware, and that's what you have to be right now. So if you don't know how to do that, check out my video previously. Right now I'm on 3.1, and this is the restore mode for the pwned iPod. It just automatically gives you that when you use pwnage tool. So right now I'm in restore mode. There's a difference between that and DFU mode. DFU mode is the unresponsive mode. Restore mode is when you first get your iPod and it tells you to plug it into the computer. That's what you need. If you don't know how to do that, basically you're going to do a hard reset on your iPod Touch, meaning you hold the top and bottom button, these two, until you get the Apple logo. Once you hit the Apple logo, let go of the power button and hold that until you get the logo, the restore mode. That's restore mode. So right now I'm going to actually jailbreak the 3.0. So I'm going to open up Red Snow 07, not 08, 07. So I'm going to browse for the IPSW, and while that's going on, open up pwnage tool. Going to download pwnage tool 3.1.3, not 3.1, there are two different ones. So there's the firmware. So I'm going to open that up and it'll process it. And while in pwnage tool, what you want to do is go into expert mode and click the device you're going to be using. This is the iPhone 3G, I'm pretty sure, or the first iPhone. I actually have that over here, pwned. Here it is. And as you can see, it is jailbroken because it's got the system strings changed. It's got all that. And all the cool stuff over there. So there's jailbroken iPhone. And I used the previous version of pwnage, so I think it was 3.1, but there's a little different now. So choose your device. This is, today I'll be using the 2G Touch. Go into expert mode and check for your IPSW. So I'm preparing the jailbreak data in Red Snow. So now I'm going to press next. And well, let's start with that. And this you could just ignore if you really want to go mess with that. You're more than welcome to, but it's a little difficult. So what you do, you're going to press next, and do this. You're going to press save to your desktop. It's really no difference between hard drive and desktop, but desktop's easier. So you want to do that. I'm not going to do it since I already have the custom firmware made. So that will take a little bit. That's why I'm telling you to do it now while Red Snow is jailbreaking. So only go to the next step in Red Snow when your device is off and plugged in. So it's plugged in since mine will turn back on because I'm in restore mode. So I'm just gonna press next. I'm just putting it to DFU mode from restore mode. There we go. And about like 23 or 24 seconds countdown, you'll be up to the jailbreaking stage. There we go. And I have the white screen. And then you'll go to a black screen, then a white screen again, and then you'll pause to a black screen, and then you'll get this, like a Macintosh hard drive on there. And now this will take a little bit to jailbreak. So while this is going, pwnage tool will still be creating your firmware. In a little bit it'll ask you to type in your password. So just type in your master password that you have there. And then it'll take another maybe 2-3 minutes depending on your computer's speed to create the firmware. Once that's done, what you're going to need to do, I will show you. So it's going to download the jailbreak data. This will take a little bit. So I'm going to cut, and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, hi everybody, I'm back. I am jailbroken on 3.0, and now I'm actually just checking out a new jailbreak that's just still in the building stage, so I'm just checking that out. So right now, what we would need to do is this. Open up iTunes. And with the firmware that you made with pwnage tool, you're going to need that now. So let's open up iTunes. See if that's going to open. There's iTunes. There we go. And iPod's in recovery mode. Now, you do not want to upgrade. Do not upgrade. Upgrading is the wrong thing to do. You should be jailbroken on 3.0, and you should have your recovery mode. There's mine. So, now, this is what you'll do. You're going to press Shift, Restore if you're on Windows, and Alt, Restore if you're on a Mac. I'm on a Mac, so I'll do Alt, Restore. So you're going to open up and get your firmware that you just made with Pwnage Tool. Let's see if I can find mine. I don't know where I put it. Let's see, is this it? No. Yes. 3.1 Custom Restore. Open that. It's going to extract your software. It's going to prepare your iPod for restore. There you go. You should get this logo, even though you're jailbroken already. You'll get this logo. With Red Snow, you don't get this logo. When you jailbroke with the 3.1 custom firmware, that's the logo you'll get. And now you're updating the 3.1 with your jailbroken firmware. And that's it. That's the complete jailbreak for the iPod Touch 2G 3.1 firmware. The 3.1, no, the third generation iPod Touch is right now unjailbreakable. I'll be working on figuring that out for you once I actually get mine. Let's see, anything else new? Green Poison, that's what I was looking at before. This is another new thing. It's similar to how Final Snow, this application right here, if you looked at it, how this application works with Terminal. Let's see if I can open up Terminal for you. With this application, Terminal. It works with this application, which is pretty cool. It's installed in every Mac, so you don't have to worry about that if you don't have it. It's still pretty dangerous in the way of an iPod, because it's very risky with all this stuff, just like jailbreaking before this Pwnage Tool came out. So that's really it for now. So my iPod's now restoring the iPod software, and I'm loading over here. And that's really it. So comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.